Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to walk through how to install Omnisend with NOP Commerce. If you're running your e-commerce store on NOP Commerce and want to enhance your marketing with powerful email and SMS campaigns, you're in the right place. Let's go step by step to get Omnisend integrated with your NOP Commerce store. Integrating Omnisend with NOP Commerce allows you to automate your marketing and create personalized campaigns that can boost your customer engagement and sales. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. First, log into your Omnisend account. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and create an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard and look for the Integrations section. Step 2. In the Integrations section, find NOP Commerce from the list of available platforms. Click on the Connect button next to NOP Commerce to start the integration process. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter your NOP Commerce store URL. Make sure you enter it correctly, then click Next to proceed with the connection. Step 4. After entering your store's URL, you'll be redirected to your NOP Commerce admin panel. Here, Omnisend will request access to your store's data, including customer information, order history, and product details. This access is necessary for Omnisend to effectively manage your marketing campaigns. Approve the request to continue. Step 5. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, Omnisend will start syncing with your NOP Commerce store. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your data, but once it's done, your store and Omnisend will be fully integrated. Step 6. And just like that, your Omnisend account is now connected to your NOP Commerce store. You can begin creating targeted email campaigns, setting up automated workflows, and utilizing SMS marketing to reach your customers more effectively. You're all set. With Omnisend integrated into your NOP Commerce store, you can now leverage advanced marketing tools to enhance your business and grow your sales. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? Check out the link in the description for a special offer on your Omnisend subscription. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this one. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.